Hello everyone. Architecture and key components of Power BI Report Builder. So now I am starting with architecture. Firstly, we have data sources and data sets. Data sources define the connection to the data source. It can be SQL Server, Analysis Services, Power BI datasets, Oracle, or any other supported database. Datasets represent the result set of a query that you run against a data source. Each dataset can be based on a different data source and can include data from multiple tables or views. Report Builder, a standalone tool used to create paginated reports. It provides a user-friendly interface to design the layout of the report, define data sources and data sets, and configure parameters. Report definition. Paginated reports are saved as report definition language files. These XML files describe the layout, data sources, data sets, and parameters of the report. Rendering engine converts the RDL file into a viewable report in various formats, such as HTML, PDF, Excel, Word, or images. This engine ensures that the report maintains its layout and formatting across different devices and formats. Power BI Service. Report upload and management. Reports created with Power BI Report Builder can be uploaded to the Power BI service, where they can be managed, shared, and scheduled for automated distribution. Datasets and data flows. Reports can connect to datasets and data flows in the Power BI service, allowing for integration with the broader Power BI ecosystem. Subscriptions and alerts. Users can create subscriptions to receive reports via email on a scheduled basis. Additionally, alerts can be set up based on specific conditions within the report data. Row-level security. Implemented to ensure that users only see data they are authorized to view. RLS can be configured within the data source or within the report itself. Key components. Data preparation. Define data sources and create datasets in Power BI Report Builder. Queries are written to fetch the necessary data. Report design. Design the report layout using tables, matrices, charts, images, and other report items. Use expressions and functions to customize data presentation and implement business logic. Parameters. Add parameters to make the report interactive and allow users to filter data based on their requirements. Parameters can also be used to dynamically change the report's appearance or behavior. Report preview and testing. Use the built-in preview feature to test the report design and data retrieval. Make adjustments as needed to ensure the report meets requirements. Publishing. Publish the report to the Power BI service or a report server. Once published, the report can be shared with users, embedded in applications, or scheduled for regular delivery. Consumption. Users can view and interact with the report through the Power BI service. They can export the report to various formats, subscribe to updates, or embed the report in other applications.